What's up? Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be learning how to make a fork bomb or a zip bomb, whatever you want to call it. But I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. So from what I've read online and heard of, a fork bomb is basically a zip archive that when you extract, just keeps extracting itself and can expand itself from like 40 kilobytes to like 50 terabytes or something like that. I don't even know. Fork bomb, I'm pretty sure it takes up your computer resources. So your CPU, your memory, it just uses it all up. Pretty sure it just like spams processes. But a zip bomb on the other hand, that's when it actually uses the zip files. And that's what I'm more interested about because I've made fork bombs before, I'm pretty sure. But I've never actually made a zip bomb. So we're going to be learning in this video. All right, we're just going to go on YouTube. How to make a zip bomb. Alright, let's see what YouTube has to offer. Pretty crazy thumbnail here. Well, this is Mac. This probably wouldn't work on Windows. And all these videos are really short. That's perfect. I have made a 55.4 yottabyte zip bomb. I don't even know what a yottabyte is. Okay, let's just go on the first tutorial. See what it tells us. Okay, so the zip file size is only 128 kilobytes. And it expands to 2 gigabytes. I mean, it's not that crazy. Like, from what we've seen, they were literally talking about like some 50 petabytes or whatever. So I don't know if this is going to do any damage. Okay, fine. Let's look at this tutorial, even though it's meant for Macs. I got banned from CSGO comp, so I'm bored and made this. Okay. This video is for educational purposes only, by the way. It looks like he's doing the exact same thing as the last guy. Okay, so he creates the archive just like the last guy. I don't think this actually works. Let's read the comments and then let's try it. You know what? Maybe we'll just add a ton of text files if it doesn't end up working. A true hacker would make a batch file that unzips this, puts the Chrome icon on it, hide file type extension, and put it on someone's desktop. I could do something like that in the future, like a batch file that like makes a zip bomb, like a zip bomb creator. That would be pretty cool. Maybe we should look at one more tutorial. Yeah, that's a fork bomb. Fork bombs aren't as interesting. You just like spam processes. I mean, like, they're fun, don't get me wrong. Like, you know, I had my fair share of fork bombing, especially in IKEA. IKEA is the hotspot for that, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Fork bombs are boring, I can't lie. You know what? I think we have enough information. Let's just try it. Alright, so I'm going to make a new folder. Let's call it fork bomb. Let's get started with our fork bomb. So I'm just going to do all the file copying in this folder. Let's get in here and let's create a text file. Let's call it death. Wait, I think you can type anything. Like, I think I can literally just do like sub to ebola, man. Yeah, I don't think it matters at all. So I'm just going to...
1 hour later.
Look how many columns that is. That's like 2 million, and that's not even that much. Alright, I'm pretty sure this is good. Now it's 6 megabytes. Damn, that happened really quick. Okay, now we just copy paste this. So let's make, how many of these should we make? Let's go. I want this folder to be like at least 10 gigabytes, you know. The guys in the videos, they were using like 2 gigabytes, 3 gigabytes, like pretty light stuff, to be honest. Oh my god, only 700 megabytes. How? Okay, yeah, no, the files weren't big enough. Dude, I thought fork bombs were like zip files inside of a zip file, inside of a zip file, inside of a zip file. Not just this. Screw it, bro. I'm not trying to make some new files. Let's just copy the whole thing. The SSD's at 100%. Is it done? Wait, I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. Okay. 5 gigabytes. Yeah, I'll work with that. I'm not trying to wait another 2 hours for the files to copy themselves. So, okay. Yeah, we'll work with that. So now we just make an archive. Add to archive. Let's make it a zip file, you know, because it's a zip bomb, right? Okay, while this is loading, I'm just gonna boot up my VM. I'll see you in a second. Okay, we gotta run this on Windows 10 first, and then Windows XP. Windows XP is gonna go crazy. All right, and now it's done zipping. We got forkbomb.zip, 11 megabytes. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad for something that moves up to 5 gigabytes. So the guys in the YouTube videos, they had it even less. They had it like in kilobytes. I'm pretty sure for me it's this much just because there's like so many files. So I think it works better if you have less files, but each file has a larger file size. Alright, so I got the fork bomb onto my VM, so we're just gonna see what it does. I'm gonna open up Task Manager so we can see how the SSD is reacting to this. Okay, what the hell? It's already at 100%. Okay, CPU and memory seems fine. I'm pretty sure disk is the only thing that like gets affected. Okay, I don't know if you guys hear that, but my computer's getting louder. The fan's getting loud. Okay, let's extract. Oh man, we haven't even started extracting it. Okay, wait, let me try opening like Google. Okay, I can still open up programs. It's not like destroying my PC. Yeah, I mean, it's not really doing anything. Like, disk is being used up, but that's pretty much it. Like, This is some pretty weak shit, I can't lie. That's not doing anything. We need to figure something out. This isn't working. Here, I'm just gonna delete these. We gotta find something else. YouTube is not doing us right. It's just giving us the exact same tutorial. Man, I just have this feeling there's another way to do this. There's a better way to do this where we can actually just we destroy the PC. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so before we were looking on YouTube and off camera, I looked at some more videos and shorts, and all of them are the exact same thing. Like, I literally followed what they were talking about step by step. It just makes your fans louder, but that's pretty much it. We're gonna try GitHub now. I'm just gonna look up zip bomb GitHub. Zip of death. Okay, I like how this is sounding. This is a decompression bomb, also known as zip of death or zip bomb, designed to crash or render useless the program or system reading it. Okay. I like where this is going. 42.zip. Oh my god. I've heard about this one. Oh, let's go. Designed to crash. Okay. It's usually a small file for ease of transport and to avoid suspicion. However, when the file is unpacked, its contents are more than the system can handle. It is often employed to disable antivirus software in order to create an opening for more traditional viruses. Okay, so I didn't know that zip bombs were used this way. So they basically are used to like disable antivirus software or like render it useless just so they can, sneak some other malware in. That's pretty smart. I thought it was just meant for like destruction. Rather than hijacking the normal operation of the program, a zip bomb allows the program to work as intended. But the archive is carefully crafted so that the unpacking requires inordinate amounts of time, disk space, or memory. Okay, so it uses disk space and memory. Most modern antivirus programs can detect whether a file is a zip bomb to avoid unpacking it. Damn, I didn't know it was that much of a problem that literally antiviruses detect them. Alright, this repository contains the 42.zip zip bomb. I've heard of this one. It's a file consisting of 42 kilobytes of compressed data containing 5 layers of nested zip files. I knew it. I knew that it was nested zip files because just having text files inside of a folder and zipping it, like that's not even a zip bomb. That's just like a large zip file. It's not what I'm looking for. But this is it. This is the one. Oh my god, we found it. Okay, yeah, so it works in layers. And eventually it extracts 4.5 petabytes of uncompressed data. That's crazy. So if you extract all the files, you will most likely run out of space. Yeah, no computer has that much disk space. All right, so let's get this onto the VM and let's run it. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but the VM is slow as hell. Okay, let's go. Download zip. Save it to my desktop. All right, ZOD master, here we come. What are these fluctuations? I'm kind of scared. If this starts like really making my computer act up, like my fan is louder than like an airplane or something, I'm ready to close this. I just go close and power off machine. Okay, so just in case, this does mess me up. Date modified 2000. Man, these have been around for a while. Bro, the zip bomb is 25 years old almost. All right, let's do it. Let's save it on my desktop. The password was 42. Okay, nothing's happening. What? Oh wait, did Defender block it or something? Wait, what's going on? Bro, I'm tweaking. There's literally nothing happening. The following file exists. What the? I don't see anything. Yeah, I think Defender is just getting in the way of this. Extract. Okay, no, I was doing everything right. What's going on? Yeah, I think Defender is definitely getting in the way. Yeah, literally nothing's happening. Okay, let's look at the issues. We can't be the only ones. My PC also broke? No way. My stuff didn't even budge. I read that the default Windows extract function won't work recursively, and I don't use Windows to test it. It doesn't work on Windows. Haven't tried with 7-zip. No, it doesn't work on... Yeah, it doesn't work on Windows. If it doesn't work with 7-zip, then this just doesn't work on Windows, and basically, we won't be doing that, I guess. 7-zip extract files. Your password is 42. Okay, no, literally nothing's happening. Like, that sucks. We can't even run this. Okay, let's try it on Windows XP. If it doesn't work on Windows XP, then I guess zip bombs are like a scam if you're trying to do them on Windows. Okay, wait. An idea is that like we have the batch file just extract the 42.zip and just like recursively extract it. Okay, that's a video for another time. I'm not going to get into that right now, but yeah, that's potentially an idea that could work. Let's try it on Windows XP. As we just saw with 42.zip, it doesn't work on Windows, so it's called recursive extraction. Maybe there is some way to do it with the batch file. As I mentioned, in the future. That is probably a video that I'm gonna make. I gotta figure that out, but we're just gonna try a regular fork bomb on Windows XP because it did affect the Windows 10 a little bit. When I opened up Windows Explorer or Google Chrome, it took like 20 seconds for it to like open, and it would just be loading. So it does affect it. It slowed it down, but it didn't hit as hard. But I'm pretty sure for it to hit hard, you just need to have, like I said before, the larger text files and not as much files. So, because I think that's a mistake that I had. We're gonna try it on Windows XP, except this time we're gonna do it a little better, I hope. Wait, I don't even know if Windows XP has Task Manager. Okay, yeah, it does. Here we go. Performance. Okay, so like the Task Manager doesn't even give us any information about hard drive, but it's probably gonna be at 100 anyway. There's not much to know. All right, so we're just gonna be looking at the CPU, I guess, and the memory. Okay, now let's do this for real. So we're just gonna spam zeros. Maybe Windows didn't like that I was trying to shout myself out. What's a good goal? Let's make each file 10 megabytes. Pretty sure that that's decent. Oh my, okay, it's already loading. Oh man.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'm pretty sure page file usage is the SSD because this started going up when I started copying it over. So I'm pretty sure page file usage, that's our hard drive. Dude, what the hell is going on? Bro, this is literally a joke. Making the zip bomb affects your computer more than the actual zip bomb itself. Oh my god. Yo, it's actually done. Like, I can't do anything. Windows virtual memory minimum too low. Your system is low on virtual memory. Windows is increasing the size of your this is how you actually zip bomb someone. You tell them that you can zip bomb someone by making a big ass text file and doing this. They'll end up doing it, and guess what? They're gonna crash their system just by making a 129 megabyte text file. Oh man, this is gonna get so much worse. Ugh, okay, we're just gonna go. Someone convinced me the Windows XP animations aren't peak. Like, this is so much better than Windows 10. Like, weird loading thing. Like, this is fire. I wish we still had this. Okay, just giving you a quick update. It shot up to 12 minutes, and now it's at 50 seconds. Man, I don't know what the hell Windows XP is on right now, but it's finally ready. Oh man. Oh, okay. Time to cook. This animation is so good. While I was waiting, I found out the 5 best ways of how to upgrade my aura. You know, so at least I'm doing something productive while waiting for the 5 seconds that remain. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so before I run this, I need a way to test out like how bad it's actually gonna get. So I'm just gonna try to like start programs like command prompt and like files while it's extracting to see if it really affects the performance. Okay, so let's go for it. We're just gonna go extract all. Oh man, so nostalgic. All right, extracting. Let's go. Oh my, yo, the CPU's at 100%. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, it's extracting. Wait, let's try to start something. Let me open up command prompt. Yo, it's not working. How is CPU usage so low? Do you see this? Like, just what the hell is going on? Okay, these legs are crazy. Okay, so I tried opening Windows Explorer and it's been like 10 seconds. Bro, that's so bad. Like, I can't even use the computer. What the hell? So the resources are just fluctuating hella. I don't know what's going on. It's just being all weird. Like, I can't move anything. Like, nothing is movable. And it's okay, and now it's frozen. Great. Okay, I think we actually broke the computer. There's not... What the hell? The connection has been lost? Wait, no, wait. Did we actually crash it? Wait, let me take a look at the VM because I was connected to it with RDP. The system has recovered from a serious error. A log of this error has been created. Please tell Microsoft about this problem. Yeah, and of course, your computer might be at risk. Antivirus. Okay, yeah, Microsoft is on to us, guys. To see what data this error report contains, click here. Yeah, sure, let's send the error report. We're gonna be white hat hackers here, because this video is for educational purposes only. I do not encourage any of the behavior in this video, and of course, we're only doing this to improve the quality of Microsoft's operating systems. Alright, so to conclude, what have we learned from this video? There are 2 different types of zip bombs. There's the ones where you just create the folder with the files in it, so like the ones with no layers, let's just call them layerless zip bombs. It's just one zip file and you extract it, and that's basically the effect that it has. On Windows 10, it mainly just slowed it down, like delayed programs and stuff like that. The CPU didn't really change, but the SSD usage, it's just shot up like crazy. And then there's also the 42.zip, so the layered one. Microsoft or like Windows, they just blocked it. It makes sense that they like take some pretty big precautions to make sure like stuff like that doesn't happen. So yeah, 42.zip layered zip files, you'd probably need to find some other way to do it. Like I said, I'm gonna experiment. I'm gonna find out a little bit about how we can incorporate VBS files, batch files, how we can actually make something that works, that can crash it. So anyway, back to the layerless zip archives, the zip bombs. On Windows XP, it actually worked pretty well. So the one that we made, it was pretty big, I can't lie. 7 gigabytes total of uncompressed data. And the CPU usage was just going crazy. Like mostly it was at 100%. Running programs, they had a delay. And even when I closed them, like parts of the like Explorer and Internet Explorer, like they just like stayed. But yeah, no, it was just going crazy, and then it froze, and then it crashed. So it restarted. I guess it did work on Windows XP. That's the conclusion of this video. I hope you learned something new. Stay safe, of course. If you want to prevent being zip bombed, make sure you have your antivirus turned on, because Microsoft prevents the layered zip bombs. And also, before you extract it, you can just double check it. Like let's say you get sent the forkbomb.zip, you can go into the folder and you can see all the files that are in it. If you see like something like this, then you know that something is up, you know? Like, are you really going to extract death copy 10 copy.txt? No, you're not. So check what's in the zip archives before you extract them, just to be safe. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.